Hello everyone, my full name is Nadya Febby Lelunny with student number 35 and I will present my review journal from EJME volume 3 number 3 by Isna et al. And it's about design a monitoring device for heart attack early detection based on respiration rate and body temperature parameters. And now we will talk about the background to this research. Acute myocardial infarction, commonly referred to as a heart attack, is the most common cause of sudden death in urban and rural areas. According to the World Health Organization, cardiovascular disease is the number one cause of death globally. In 2017, it was estimated that 17.8 million deaths worldwide were caused by cardiovascular disorders. Changes in the indication of vital organs in patients with attack will provide basic conditions for patients with heart disease to experience repeated attacks. Therefore, it is necessary to have a system that can monitor the patient's condition. In the study, a design of monitoring device for early detection of heart attack with respiration rate and body temperature parameters was made with the aim of facilitating the monitoring process for patients so as to prevent the risk of sudden death caused by a sudden heart attack. This design can display the value of vital conditions, respiratory rate, and body temperature parameter in real time using a wireless transmission system or without using wired media as data transmission using the wireless module and display on a PC. This design is also equipped with notifications so that patients can be treated immediately. And for the methods, in this research using a piezoelectric sensor mounted on the respondent's abdomen, a temperature sensor to monitor the body temperature attached to the respondent's axilla, the subjects were randomly sampled and the data collection is repeated for 5 times. After the module was finished and test was carried out using a patient monitor BSM 2301K Nihon Kohden, Japan, to compare the value of the respiratory results on the respondent, and a test was carried out using a thermometer to compare the body temperature result value to the respondent. And for the result, in the study, researchers measured the value of oxygen saturation, SpO2, and heart rate, BPM, from a respondent who has randomly selected, and the results were compared with patient monitor BSM 2301K, Nihon Kohden, Japan, and thermometer. And you can also see the result in table 3. And for the conclusion, the purpose of this study is to make a heart attack early detection device to facilitate the monitoring process for patients who have been diagnosed with heart disease so as to prevent the risk of sudden death caused by a sudden heart attack. This study has demonstrated progress for detection of cardiac arrest by monitoring ECG and SpO2 signals, as well as BPM, SpO2, respiration rate, and body temperature values. The study was designed using several analog circuits and ESP32 for data processing and HC12 for wireless data transmissions, which will be sent to a PC and displayed on the Delphi application that has been made. In summary, the study has been completely tested and the accuracy of each parameter has been proven as described. And for the suggestion, further experimental requests are needed to add respiration signal graph to make it look more complex in displaying information using a wireless transmission module that can transmit data over longer distance, and addition of data storage system to make it easier for doctors to view the history of respiration and body temperature values in patients on an ongoing basis. And thank you all for listening to me. And now we can see this is for the pics of this research. And this is the journal that I explained to you from EJME Volume 3, Number 3 by Isna et al. Thank you very much. See you.